pa, may paroka ni Edgar.
Pizza.
Yeah. Giling mo, baby.
At first I was afraid to eat a pizza pie. Quick, thinking this is
Pizza pie!
a pizza pie. And I spent all
Too many times.
just getting by Lord Pantalon. I do wrong. Because of my Lord Pantalon, biglang maibak.
Yeah!
Outer space.
On the face.
Nakita po sa may kiniwa ko yung bangla malaking. Buksan ko at nasilak pizza pie sobrang laki. Tinikman ko within 1 second na ubus ko.
Parang mali.
Ngayon ako'y ay ganito. Pizza, pizza hut or shake. Sure na welcome. Ina mo ngayon
Oh!
ang aking pizza pie. Ayoko nang mahiwalay para sa'yo. Handa kong magpapapatay cause now I love my pizza pie. Yes, as long as I pizza pie, I know I'd be alive. I want all my garlic cheese, pepperoni, double cheese, ang pizza pie. Ang pizza pie.